Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix the requested operation requires elevation error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error means you need administrator permissions and here's how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click Run New Task at the top. Click Browse. Now navigate to This PC, then open your C drive. Open the Windows folder, then scroll down and open System32. Okay, find cmd.exe in the list, select it, and click Open. Here's the thing. Back in the Run New Task window, make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. This is super important. Without checking this box, you'll get the elevation error. Click OK. This opens Command Prompt with administrator access. Now you can run commands that require elevation. For example, type sfc/scanfile equals c:/Windows/system32/IEFrame.dll and press Enter. This runs without the elevation error. Then type sfc/verifyfile equals c:/Windows/system32/IEFrame.dll and press Enter. Once done, type Exit to close Command Prompt. Now let me show you why the error happens. If you just search for CMD in the Start menu and open it normally without admin rights, then try running the same command, you'll get the requested operation requires elevation. But if you right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, the command works perfectly. So the fix is simple. Always run Command Prompt as Administrator when you see this error. And that's it. You fixed the elevation error on Windows 11. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.